Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable the search feature in YouTube Kids. So in YouTube Kids, by default, the search is often restricted. But if you want to unlock the search button in here, so you can give your children access to all the videos in a safe environment YouTube Kids application, this is what you are going to do. Here, open your YouTube Kids application. So when you click on the search button, as you guys can see that the search is currently off, so I cannot search on a certain video or certain creators. So what you need to do is just click on turn search on. But you need to know that when you turn it on, then your child can search for new videos that interest them from the millions available in the app. So if you are sure to turn it on, you can just click on turn search on, or you can just head into your profile first. Click on the gear icon to go to the parent settings, enter your passcode, and then here choose the profile. You need to enter your email, password, and after that you'll be able to edit the profile. You can just scroll down until you find the search options. So toggle it on to enable the search. Now let's go back to the YouTube Kids home. Click on a search. Okay, so now I can search the video that I want. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.